customers remain seated with your seatbelts buckled until we've come to a complete stop at the gate. The captain has parked the aircraft. He will be turning off the fasten seatbelt signs. This will be your indication that it is then safe to unbuckle your seatbelts. Collect your carry-on items as they must. Don't forget to check the seat pockets and other storage areas for all of your carry-on items. Also, please be cautious when going into the overhead bin spaces, as the contents may have shifted during our flight. Please remember your small electronic devices. Once all of our customers disembark aircraft, will not be permitted to reboard. Customer service may come on board to give us any updated information, especially for those who may be connecting with other flights. And typically we do have 2 doors open here in Frankfurt. Any of our passengers who have a baby stroller or baby pram, or if you need wheelchair assistance, the first door you come upon on the left by the base of the stairs will be the door you need to exit to get your wheelchair assistance and or pick up your baby stroller. Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of all of us here at United Airlines, we do thank you for joining us. On behalf of United Airlines and its Airlines partners, we do hope that your travel plans call for future travel with Nicholas again here at United. Once more, we wish you a pleasant day ahead and thank you.
Meine Damen und Herren, recht herzlich willkommen hier in Frankfurt. Wir sind jetzt ungefähr 15:22 Uhr. Bitte bleiben Sie noch so lange angestellt sitzen, bis wir die endgültige Parkposition erreicht haben und die Anstellzeichen ausgeschaltet wurden. Bitte vergewissern Sie sich, dass Sie alle persönlichen Gegenstände mitnehmen und öffnen Sie die Gepäckfächer vorsichtig, da sich der Inhalt eventuell verschoben haben könnte. Fluggäste mit Starlines Anschlussflug müssen zuerst die Kontrolle in Frankfurt passieren, bevor sie zum nächsten Flugsteig gehen können.